Here we are in beautiful Santa Monica. We just completed a beautiful kitchen and a laundry renovation. Let's go and check it out. The house was built in 1947, and this kitchen was dated where we see the window viewing to the side. We had the old laundry right there where the whole pantry is. We want to kind of create the same style but more storage. This whole side is changed, open up, right, more cabinet, countertop, and that built-in microwave drawer. We kept the sink at the same location. However, the customer wanted to lower the sitting area because it used to be higher from the other side. A little bit had to shift the window opening so we'll be able to accommodate the Lazy Susan storage here to give them a lot of room for storage. This is a nice detailed waterfall. We have all kind of, the trash pull outs. We have a large pantry here with soft closing pull outs. As soon as you come into the kitchen, we had this peninsula right here, and it's made the space kind of tight. We proposed a design idea to the customer to open it up and to create this nice workspace area with a better flow. This, as you can see, was basically kind of like a pantry storage area, and we created this beautiful side-by-side washer and dryer folding area. We worked very closely with the customer, of course, on the way, the design and the location, quartz countertops throughout the kitchen. We used it also in the laundry folding area, and we installed a full backsplash to match and to go along with the kitchen. We wanted to have a modernized kitchen, but still to keep a characteristic of kind of something that goes along with the style of the house.
I would recommend Structura Remodeling because they really listen to the client, are patient, helpful throughout the process. Everything goes exactly as planned.